Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect ICmarkets to Tradingview. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview accounts, which of course I have done right here. And now the next thing is how can you create an account on Tradingview? Launch in a browser of your choice. I'm currently using Google Chrome, and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you into the official website for Tradingview. Now, once you get into the official website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. Of course, after signing in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to connect ICmarkets to Tradingview. So from this homepage, you can head over to the top corner of your screen where you have products, community, and markets, news, broadcast. Head over to broadcast and see ICmarkets. Check if you can see ICmarkets this to confirm that Tradingview is in sync with ICmarkets. So the most effective way of connecting ICmarkets to Tradingview is to open up a chart. So you can head over to markets and open up any markets of your choice. And once you open up the market, it's going to take you right into the charts window. So this market is Tesla, and this is a chart window for Tesla. So scroll the way down, and once you scroll the way down, you can see all of these tabs, which include stock screener, Pine editor, you have strategy tester, and you have trading panel. So head over to the trading panel and click on see all broadcasts just right below. Now once you click on see all broadcasts, just go ahead and search for ICmarkets. So search easy, or you can see that's the third on the list. So go ahead and click on ICmarkets, and by clicking connect, I confirm that I have read the warning and terms of use and set all risks. Now, if you do not have any account on ICmarket, just go ahead and click on open an account. And if you already have an existing account, just go ahead and click on connect. So it's going to take you here. Now, enter your email address, your password, and your login details. And once you click on login, that's it. You will be connected to ICmarkets, or you'll be able to connect your ICmarkets to Tradingview. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.